In this video, I will cover the distributive property and how to combine like terms. So to start, I'm going to talk about the distributive property. And there are two ways to look at this. Whether you have addition or subtraction, the property works the same. And so this is what it says. The product of A and B plus C works like this. So the product, meaning multiplying, of A times the quantity B plus C, what you want to do is distribute that A to both the B and the C. So you're going to get two separate terms, because when you multiply A times B, you'll get a term, and A times C, you'll get a term. In this example with numbers, the 3 and the 7 and the letter X term, you would distribute the 3 to the X and the 3 to the 7. So it would look like this: 3 times the X plus 3 times the 7, if I follow that property. Now 3 times X would simplify to 3X, and 3 times 7 would simplify to be 21. It works just the same way with subtraction as your sign in the middle of that quantity in parentheses. You will still distribute the A to the B term and the A to the C term. So for this example, I will still multiply the 2 to the X and the 2 to the 9. So 2 times X, but this time subtract the 2 times 9. Now what I'm going to do is simplify. 2 times X and 2 times 9. I will show you 4 more examples. So distributive property. If I distribute the 3 times the X, I get 3X. If I multiply my 3 times 1, I'll get 3. Over here, even though that this A here and this A here were not in parentheses, it's okay that this one was in parentheses. It doesn't really matter. So the 7 times my X would be 7X. I have a subtract sign in the middle. 7 times 2 is 14. Over here, for example C, negative 5 times 2 would be negative 10. Negative 5 times positive, that's going to make this a negative. 5 times the 5 is going to make 25, and there is an X on that term. Now this one looks completely different because the 3 is on the opposite side, but really that would be the same as having your 3 out front and then your 2 minus D. So those are the same. So either way, if I distribute my 3 times my 2, I'm going to get a 6, and my 3 times my D, I'm going to get 3 times that D. This had a subtract sign, so we'll keep the subtract sign in the middle. Now, you can try these 4 examples. Check out the answers in my next video.